Hi everyone, look what came today. I'm so excited and I'm now going to do my first ever unboxing video. Bit interesting, been waiting for this for weeks. As you probably know, I hit 100,000 subscribers. Thank you very much to everyone who subscribed. I hit 100,000 subscribers quite a while ago and we've been waiting for this for weeks. And I just didn't know if it was ever going to come. And of all the days, it was delivered today on the winter solstice, 21st of December 2020, at the time of the Great Conjunction. My YouTube Silver Creators Award was delivered. So I very much feel that this is not just an award or an accolade or a prize, if you will, from YouTube, but also from the universe and from all of you, of course. So I'm just blown away that this was delivered on the solstice. It's like this big sign saying, well done, you've done well, you know, with the videos, with the channeling, with the communication with the nine. It's just a huge thumbs up from the cosmos. That's how I'm seeing it. For it to arrive today, that's huge synchronicity. And so I'm just so happy, and so I'm going to do an unboxing and show you all. So here we go. I'm not very good at opening things, so I've got some scissors here, so bear with me. Okay, so that's the side. This is really tightly packaged up. You know, I've seen these unboxing videos on YouTube whenever I've been researching mobile phones, or, well, mostly mobile phones, and people do these unboxing videos of them, and I never ever thought I would do an unboxing video. Oh my goodness. Wow. Goodness me. And this is a letter from YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber? No, but I remember the first video. Your 100th. Or your 1000th. I don't think we've got... Oh yeah, 100,000. Yeah, it would have been 1,000. No, I don't remember exactly who they were. Chances are you do. Oh dear. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans, well, I wouldn't really call everybody fans, but anyway. Your fans may have found you while searching for YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We're thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Yay! Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community. I really do. And we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating. I will. Keep building. I will. And make sure you speak in code. They didn't add that bit. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. Oh, I don't think you can. We're here to support you along the way. I hope you are. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, the owner of YouTube. That is amazing. So this is it. This is it. And this is a little... congratulations card. So this is my award. Oh wow, look at this. And it says on here, presented to Magenta Pixie for passing 100,000 subscribers. So there it is. So I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel over the last 12 years and who has been interested in the messages I've brought forward, and I just want to thank you, and I hope that me being there for you and bringing these messages forward from the 9 have assisted you. I know that for many of you, the messages, especially over the last year, 2020, have been extremely helpful, and I'm so very humbled and happy that that's the case. And yes, I'm completely committed to continuing being your scribe and your messenger for the white-winged collective consciousness of 9. So thank you for sharing in my unboxing of this amazing award. Love you all. Bye.